Cancer, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 15 to 21st of June 2020. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, and sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your feedback. And yeah, if you guys are new, hello, and please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Cancer from 15 to 21st of June 2020. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. Okay, so yeah, this is for the Cancerians from 15 to 21st of June. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys, Cancer. Okay. Wow, Four of Wands. This is your overall energy. Okay. Nine of Wands. Six of Swords. Knight of Cups. Eight of Cups. Page of Pentacles right in the heart of your spread. Transformation, which is the Death card of the tarot. High Priestess. Pisces is here. Cancer. Scorpio is here also. Seven of Cups. So many cups are here. Knight of Wands. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have Three of Pentacles here, and also with the another water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. And yeah, that's it. So I'm feeling that, Cancer, there is something very beautiful coming your way, which you have. I'm feeling that you are praying for it. You're continuously want to build a very strong relationship with someone, and you are feeling that connection, that twin flame connection with this person. You know that this is your match, because we have also High Priestess here, so you know that this is the person sent from the heavens for you. Wow. Okay, I'm feeling that with this Nine of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Knight of Cups energy, uh, initiated, what I want to say, in the past, yeah, in the past they had their guard up. They were not responding to your offer with this Knight of Cups energy. Yeah, you can see that they have their guard up, and that's why they just want to move forward, and they don't want to deal with this kind of, because the offer was very loving and very passionate. But if I'm feeling that they were making their healthy boundaries at that time with you, they were not accepting your offer at the first place, because I'm feeling that some of you are dealing must be with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. And Capricorn is also your natural seventh. So yeah, the person is actually wanna see some kind of growth in the connection, and then they will accept your offer. Yeah, this kind of feeling I'm getting from these three. That's why they were moving forward, and they know that if the offer is for them, that will be for them. Yeah. Eight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, and the Transformation. Yeah, they walked away from your life, and they have started something else with this Page of Pentacles energy, and at the same time they are going through some kind of transformation. Yeah, they have started something else. They have starting some kind of new project of their life. They are learning about that, and they want to change the outcome of their stability, because this is only working on their stability, like money, pentacles, on their soul level, on their physical appearance, you know, this kind of thing. Like they are actually grooming themselves. Yeah. Wow. But you want a very strong connection with them. With this Four of Wands energy, you are continuously missing them. You are want to be with them. You want to be with them. High Priestess, Seven of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. I'm feeling that you are also using your intuition with this High Priestess energy, and you have so many options which are making you a little bit conflicted person, because you think that see, here is the thing. There is your feelings, intuition, and there is also your passion for them. So your intuition and your passion is telling you that this is the person. But you are I'm feeling that they have love for you definitely, but they are right now busy in their own work, because they want to get stability before and after they will come towards you, or they will accept your offer. And that's why you are a little bit confused, like you are thinking and you're talking to yourself, speaking to yourself, that what are these emotions for, what why is this passion for this person, if they are not in contact with me, or if they are not interested in me. Yeah, this kind of vibe I'm getting. So I'm feeling that for some of you there is no contact also, because this is high priestess, very silent energy. Yeah, yeah. Let's see what is this four of wands for the Cancer from 15 to 21st of June. Ten of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. Yeah. Okay. For some of you, I'm feeling that the person has ended this a long time ago with the Ten of Swords energy, but you are still holding on to this person energetically. That's why they are not in contact with them. That's why they walked away. And yeah, I'm feeling that the method of yours, like in the first place, was not so good. Like you didn't impress them in a way that they want to be like some kind of proposal, something like that. And that's why I'm feeling that, yeah, they were expecting something else and you had given them something else. Okay. Okay, so I was telling you that you are feeling now this connection is very strong, but they have felt it a long time ago. Yeah. Now they have ended with the Ten of Swords energy completely. They are coming out of that sadness, and but you are holding on to them with the Four of Pentacles. But they are really clear. If you will communicate with them, they will be very logical, very cold, very straight to the point. Yeah. Some of you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is this Six of Swords energy for the Cancer? World. Yeah, they are moving forward. They are starting something new. King of Cups, King of Swords. Wow. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can switch the role, because I'm feeling that this is something you, in first place, they have uh, maybe proposed you, but you have rejected them, and they were continuously like they were fighting for this connection with the Nine of Wands energy, Cancer. Yeah, they were definitely fighting for this connection, but then they had like, I gave up, I surrender, now you can play your game alone. This kind of vibe I'm getting from that person, and that's why they are moving forward with the Six of Swords energy, you can see. And they want to start something new, something big for them, which will give them long-term stability and happiness and clarity and contentment, because I'm feeling that they are balancing these two energies within themselves, like their emotions and their intellectual. Yeah. And they want to be in a balanced place. That's why they're just concentrating on them. They just want to be a stable person, balanced soul. Wow. What is this Page of Pentacles for the Cancer, please? What is this Page of Pentacles? Temptation, Capricorn, your natural seventh. Three of Wands, Two of Wands. So you want to talk to them. With this Page of Pentacles, you are extending some kind of messages, you are sending them some kind of text or messages or phone calls, whatever it is. I'm feeling that you wanna talk to them for the last time, like you want to be, because they are not talking to them at all. Yeah, they are not talking to them, they are busy in their work. You want to speak to them because you are also want to transform the situation, because you think that you're feeling a very strong bond with them, very strong, you know, and this is temptation, this is very possessive energy. So you are feeling like they have okay, with this twin flame card, definitely very strong connection. But with this Devil card, you can't let this person go, because you think that they are, and they have sent, like they have made some kind of things or said you some things that you cannot forget. You cannot forget that. And definitely they have worked really hard to make this situation happen for them, but that was not the right time. And now you want to make things balance with them, and you want to move forward towards them, and you want to go towards them, like travel. You're planning travel, and the person is like a temptation towards you. Wow. So you are feeling that they are your person. You are feeling very possessed. You cannot bear that if anyone else can even see them or even touch them. Yeah, this is the Devil, this is the possession. Transformation, please. Ace of Wands. Yeah, passion is so much. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. So you want to move forward towards them very swiftly, very fast, because you want to have this new beginning soon, because you think that if the time go passing and passing and passing and passing, then you will lose them totally, and there will be no reason to come back towards them. That's why you want to move forward, and you want to put in the work with this Eight of Pentacles energy, and you want to transform the situation with them, because you think that they are very loyal person. Okay, what is this High Priestess? Why is the silence between you two? Page of Cups, Strength, Seven of Wands. Okay. So Cancer, you are building up your courage. Yes, definitely you are building up the courage to text them, to communicate to them, because you think that they are in anger with this Strength card, with this line here. Some of you are dealing with the Leo, and you think that they are angry right now, but if you speak to them, then they will be accept your offer, and they will not resist you. That's why you want to take a leap of faith towards them with this unicorn jumping from out of the cliff. That's why you, because this Seven of Wands is something else. So you want to take a risk. You want to know that if the, you want to actually what I want, taste the waters. Yeah, you're dipping your toe into the waters. Okay, so this is a hat for you. I hope this will resonate with you. I'm feeling that there is another meeting coming for both of you, and because you are not letting them go, but they are moving forward. They have ended the chapter with you, but you want to try, you want communication with them. I'm feeling this is for the final communication with them of yours. So yeah, this is a hat for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions.